Take your stinking paws off me, you damn dirty ape!
So here's Cornelius. It's 3D printed from Planet of the Apes. It's all in primer and it's just drying at the moment. So I'll just sort of show you some detail. Oh my god, it's detailed. Sorry about the noise in the background. Just hope this thing stays in focus. So it's just a short video. Really pleased with it. This might be some, you know, if you watch me touch it, just to show you the size of it. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Well, like I say, just a quick video just showing. I'm really pleased with it. Put some pics up at the end.